Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is still a brand new channel, but first and foremost, before getting into today's video, I want to say thank you to everyone that watched my first video, which was an intro, like kind of high tutorial full face thing. But I want to say thank you to everyone that did watch it. Currently on my phone it says we have 2.5k views, so that's shocking because I posted it like, well, with today, I'm gonna post this tomorrow, but with today it's 5 days ago, so it's great. Thank you guys, honestly. Obviously it's been spreading more than I thought it would, and I appreciate it. Also, thank you for everyone that has subscribed. I had 1.1k like literally last night, and then I woke up today and like half of them are gone. I don't know if it was, you know, accurate, which is fine, it's just fine, or if it was a glitch. Regardless, anyone that is subscribed to me has subscribed. If there's an error, whatever, thank you. Right now I'm very appreciative of everyone that is subscribed, and please like and comment, get other people to subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, and tell a friend, and that way you can get places. But without further ado, today is what is today? This is like a mini makeover, so I brought you guys along my hair journey kind of thing. I showed you before, this is my after, so I'm showing you my after now pretty much, and then throughout the video you can see it. I cut my length because it was unhealthy, the hair that I had left, like at the bottom. I did have like this much hair left, but we cut that off. Thankfully my hairstylist is great, so I'm happy with my cut, I'm happy with my hair. Should also be tagged below if you guys are in the New York area or whatever. So we did that. You're gonna see her in a clip too, most likely. Her info will be down there, well, her Instagram at least. And yeah, so I brought you my hair journey. Then I also did a makeover because, you know, catfishing's alright. You see me in the beginning and then you see me now and you're like, well, that's two people, but it's alright. So yeah, just a mini makeover in general. And like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell people, tell anybody, tell your girlfriend, tell your boyfriend, tell your cousin, tell everybody. Remember guys, we are #ColorMeCatfish. That will be in every video, okay? Because we're proud. We're proud. Who says a catfish is a bad thing? We are proud. But like this video. I'm trying to get more likes. Like, let's try to get it going. Let's try to get it popping. And please follow me on Instagram. My gram is always down there. The hair products that I did use and that my hairstylist used will be down there, like details and everything on volume of the developer and all that stuff, brands of the hair dye. All the products I use as always will be down there. And yeah, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for dealing with me and my awkward self. See you in the next one. Thank you guys, bye. Hi guys, so this is my situation starting off. I dyed this 4 to 5 months ago. Wanted to go for like an ashy brown, ash blonde situation. Didn't really happen. I don't know what she used on my hair, like chemical wise, product wise, quality wise, to be honest. But when she was dyeing it, I saw that like it was breaking off. I'm pretty sure it was the bleach or the duration of the bleach, don't really know, but it was breaking off. Point is, now feels like horse hair. I don't really like it. It's not cute. So I'm gonna try to dye it back with my other hair lady. You know, you gotta have one on the side. So I'm gonna dye it back with my other hair lady. We're gonna get it back to jet black blue because that's what I had. The color of my roots is the color of my actual hair, which is a dark brown. kind of a black, to be honest, but this is what it looks like now. Even when I hold it up, you can tell it's not like healthy hair. This is just not a good situation. So we're gonna change that. I'm touching my face a lot, but it's fine, right? It's fine. So we're gonna dye it back. I'm gonna try to show you guys the process of it. I'm definitely gonna show you what I used, if not in a picture, like in the clip in general. I'm gonna leave the color, the number, the companies, all that kind of stuff, especially for like the volume, you hear me? The volume of the developer and stuff like that. All of that will be down there. But I'm taking you guys on this little journey, this little getting bad again journey. Be a bad bitch again. I did not curse. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you the back of it a little, try to see if we can get a little bit of the bottom, but it's just, this is how it looks. It's like my roots, and then I just don't like how it was dyed. Like, you see how an ombre is supposed to look? This is not really what it looks like. It's like a lot of black here. That's my natural hair texture. Just not the best. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys a transformation, kind of. So I'm gonna do this now. You guys are seeing me at my prime, you know. This is off the wake up, took a shower, washed my face. I might do a skincare video at some point. But yeah, this is my face, kind of clear, besides my guy right here. That's my guy. He right here. He here to stay. So we're gonna do a little makeup at the end of the video with my new hair, if everything goes right. So this is the little makeover before the fall. Try and get cute again, just a little bit. So I'll see you guys in the little clip after this.
So, as you can see, my hairstylist came over to my very empty place and was a doll about it. So excuse the mess. It's my mess. It's my apartment. It's new, not furnished. All right, but that's besides the point. So all this stuff is her stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to hit her up or message her. Her Instagram will be below. If you hear something behind my audio, again, that's my dog with her cone. I apologize. No one can make her sit, so I don't know. But hopefully this audio comes out pretty clear. She dyed my hair, blow dried it, straightened it, and did that whole process in about, I don't know, like maybe an hour or two, max. But besides the hair, right, here you see me with the new black do. I'm back to the old me. We're going to do pretty much the same thing I showed you guys in my first video, which is my full face. Again, little tips and tricks. I put it towards my jawline and blend up instead of putting a lot of product in the middle. Again, we just don't want to do cake face because then they know you catfishing. You know we got to be slick about it. So if you have any questions about anything I did, you can comment, or you can also just watch the first video I did. It was a bit longer, but I talk more about what I'm doing here. After I'm done singing like a crazy person to a beauty blender and my dog, you start putting your concealer on. Products and all that stuff will be listed down below. And what else? What else I gotta tell y'all? That's about it. So after I'm done being a crazy person, I put my concealer on and blend that in. Again, I use that to highlight since I don't cream contour. Check back to the first video if there's anything I missed. But this is just a quick little transformation, so I'm not gonna make it that long. We're back to baking because that's the only kind I do, sadly, you know. But so baking my face while I bake my face and my concealer and everything pretty much is when I do my eyebrows. I do use Dip Brow. I used to use pencil. It's up to you and your preference, but that's what I do while I bake, just because there's no point in waiting until your bake is done, because then you just wasted like 10 minutes of your time in your life. So that's what I do. Real quick, we go into cleaning under our eyebrows. Mine are not done, and it's a problem because I'm starting to look like someone named Helga or something. No offense though, if you have that name, but you know that cartoon character? Alright, it's alright, I'm going into something else. But clean them under the eyebrows, set that, since that is also foundation. I do not use concealer for that. And I wipe it off as always, and then I set the rest of my face and my neck or my ears, everything that has touched liquid. And we keep going. After that, we do a little contour for the face chichos, the double chin. And I use the same thing as I always use, Hoola bronzer. Use the thinner angled kind of brush. You know what I mean? The one that comes in there, the free one. Yeah, that's what I like. And then I use my more free domed kind of brush to finesse it. Look at that. Look at that double chin just slowly disappearing before your eyes. And you obviously just do that to the rest of your face. After I contour my face, I also contour my nose with the same bronzer. That's the one that I just tend to use for everything contour wise. I also put on my eyes like as eyeshadow, like a transition color, since I don't do more eyeshadow than that. That's what I do. That's on my normal daily basis, and that's what I'm always showing y'all. We set our eyebrows with that Gorilla Glue for your face, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I also use blush. I used the Milani one at first, didn't really work, so we went on to the Park Avenue one. And we are now on to my eyelashes. I do curl them. Nothing happens to me when I curl my eyelashes, but I heard some people don't like it, whatever it may be. Then I use regular mascara, not waterproof, because that's harder than anything in the world to take off. And we're on to falsies. I'm actually wearing falsies this time around, just because I felt like being spicy. So that's what we did. That's one on. Obviously, you can tell a major difference. While I feel myself for 2 seconds, I apologize. And we're gonna go on to the next one and try to finish up this look. After you apply both falsies, you're looking like a whole different person. Who is she? I don't really know, but she's back, is what matters. So we I'm a lip gloss person, that's what I'm doing. Almost forgot my highlighter, had to slather that on. And we're pretty much done, guys. That's my whole look. I didn't do eyeshadow just because I wanted to do a regular, but yet dramatic with my eyelashes. So that's how I did this whole little transformation. I went from blonde, not very healthy hair, and cutting most of that off, to my black hair that I'm always used to. Should have never left, should have learned, but I'm back to the prime catfish. And I appreciate you guys watching. See you soon. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.